To download games on your iPad, first you'll go to the App Store. This is the marketplace for all apps available on your iPad, and you'll need an Apple account to use it. If you're logged into an Apple account, you're all set and ready to start downloading. If not, you'll be prompted to log into your account. The front page of the App Store has trending and popular apps, which is a nice way to discover something new. On the top, you'll see a separate tab for games. This is where you'll find recommended games and all kinds of charts. A lot of them are free, some are paid, and some are free to download but might offer you paid content within the game once you start playing. There's a separate tab for other iPad apps, and then there's Apple Arcade. This is a subscription service where you pay a monthly fee and get unlimited access to a large library of games. All the games within Apple Arcade are ad-free, have no in-app purchases, and you can download and play them across iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV using the same subscription. This is great for those who play a lot of games, but it's totally not necessary to play games on your iPad. You can always just stick to the free games if you'd like. To download games, you can pick something from the recommended list, or you can use the search if you're looking for something specific. There is so much variety when it comes to games, and you can find pretty much anything. I used to play Snake on the old school Nokia phone, so I'm going to download something similar to that just to feel nostalgic. Tap any game to view more info like screenshots, technical details, and user reviews, and then tap the blue button to download it. You'll authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password, and the download begins. Some regions will require you to have a payment method on file even when downloading free games. So if the App Store is asking you to link a credit card, that's normal, and you won't be charged anything as long as you're downloading free games. Once the game is downloaded, you can launch it and start playing. You'll find the game on your home screen, and you can always tap and hold to move the game on your home screen. You can put it in your dock or even make folders for games if you'd like. I have another video on how to create folders, and I'll link it below if you're interested. And that's how you download games. Click that like button if this was helpful, and check out my iPad playlist for more easy guides like this.